Are you noticing more hair fall than usual? It could be a sign of a vitamin deficiency. In today's video, we will explore how lacking essential vitamins can lead to hair loss and what you can do to prevent it. Vitamins play a crucial role in maintaining healthy hair growth, and when we don't get enough of them, it can result in shedding and thinning. So, let's dive into the connection between vitamin deficiency and hair loss. 1. Vitamin A. This vitamin is essential for cell growth, including hair follicles. Without enough vitamin A, hair can become dry and prone to breakage. Incorporate foods like sweet potatoes, carrots, and spinach into your diet to ensure you're getting an adequate amount. 2. Vitamin B. The B vitamins, particularly biotin, B7, and niacin, B3, are vital for hair health. Biotin promotes the production of keratin, a protein that makes up hair strands, while niacin helps improve blood circulation to the scalp. Include foods like eggs, nuts, and avocados to boost your B vitamin intake. 3. Vitamin C. This vitamin is known for its antioxidant properties, which can protect hair follicles from damage caused by free radicals. Citrus fruits, strawberries, and bell peppers are excellent sources of vitamin C that you should incorporate into your diet. 4. Vitamin D. Studies have linked vitamin D deficiency to hair loss, as it plays a role in the hair follicle cycle. Spending time in the sun and consuming fortified dairy products can help increase your vitamin D levels. 5. Iron. An iron deficiency can lead to anemia, which is a common cause of hair loss. Foods like red meat, lentils, and spinach are rich in iron and can help maintain healthy hair growth. 6. Omega-3. Fatty acids. These essential fats are crucial for scalp health and hydration. Incorporate foods like salmon, chia seeds, and walnuts into your diet to ensure you're getting enough omega-3s. Now that you know the importance of vitamins for healthy hair, make sure to include a variety of nutrient-rich foods in your diet to support optimal hair growth. If you suspect you may have a vitamin deficiency, consult with a healthcare professional for guidance on supplementation. Remember, a balanced diet is key to maintaining overall health, including the health of your hair. Thanks for watching.